guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's snowing. It's Connecticut, it's New England, it does that. But I'm actually headed home because my boss basically said we could work from home the rest of the afternoon. So it's gonna take me like half an hour to get home, and after realizing that, I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna take the rest of the day off. So I am taking the rest of the day off, and I actually got to go home and edit a video, edit the video that's going to be before this one, just because I haven't edited it yet. Sorry if my face is so dark. Car, blah blah. No, that doesn't work either. Maybe I should pay more attention to the road too, because it is snowing and this dude behind me is driving like an asshole. So anyway, so when I get home, I gotta edit the video, but I'm also gonna explain to you guys and give you guys some hints on what that other part is that's coming in. It's something that I already have, but I just felt more comfortable getting it again. So when I get home, I'll give you some clues and just kind of give you my rationale for why. So give me a little bit and I'll see you then. It's gonna be a slow one though, sorry. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm on my way home. I'm not gonna film too much, just obviously because it's kind of slippery and things like that. But yes, I am driving the Genesis Coupe in the winter. You can't drive a rear wheel car driving in the winter if you have snow or all season tires, preferably snow tires. But obviously I kept my wheels on, so they're all season, and it's gonna be slow. But yeah, I just figured, you know, I used to actually drive in this with a rear-wheel drive car with my dad. I used to drive his Lincoln Town car, big-ass car, and I actually used to do a ton of donuts, but I wouldn't do that now, and I suggest you guys, if you guys are driving in the wintertime, try not to film and drive. So I'm gonna stop, but this was just for you guys, but I'll be safe. So I'll talk to you when I get home. Alright guys, really quick, I just made it home, and as you guys can see, this right here, all ice. Look at that. That is going to be a pain in the ass tomorrow. Hopefully when it rains, it melts some of this later on today. It's starting to rain now, so, you know. Alright guys, so before I go into why I ordered the other part that isn't here yet, that I'm sure you guys are dying to know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you. I may give you guys some clues, but I'm not going to tell you. Let me just explain why I got this. What is this? Well, if you watched the last video or a couple videos ago, we'll see, whenever it was. No, a couple videos ago. Actually, you can check it out up here. This is the Haltech ECM. And the reason why I got this Haltech ECU was because obviously I'm putting a bigger turbo in, building a motor and things like that. So and the BTR ECU wasn't going to be up to the task per se. It wasn't tuned exactly for the things that I'm doing. So I ordered a Haltech. Now what I realized today, well, not just today, but even a couple days ago when I was getting gas, is that my car, I never really paid much attention to it. It's definitely, that tune is definitely running rich, or it's telling the ECU to dump more fuel, and that's evidenced by, if I take you guys outside and have you take a look at the tailpipes on the inner, because it's quad tip, on the inner tips on the outside you can see black, and that's usually evidence of I'm probably spitting flames. Actually, you know, I'm just gonna go bring the camera outside and show you guys really quick. Let's go do that. It's cold outside. Remember, it's snowing too, but it's just for you guys. Alright, back outside just for you guys. So this right here is what I'm talking about. You see all that black right there? And then obviously some up here, and how this is darker and obviously this side's not. And that's how it is on the other side. Let me show you, because you got the same thing on this side too, where it's just black right here. I'm spitting flames, which is actually pretty awesome, but I'm also definitely running rich, which is also giving me sucky gas mileage from running rich, obviously. I think I'm averaging like probably like 18 miles to a gallon, and I mean, if I like really take my time and don't go on the boost, I probably get up to like 26-27 miles per gallon, but that's if I don't go in a boost and take my time. That obviously never happens, because this morning I was doing 90 all the way to work, and yeah, I think my gas mileage, because I got gas last night, the trip there was like 16 miles per gallon, so hence the other reason why I bought the Haltech. So yeah. So anyway, you know, obviously I'm going to use the Haltech to tune. I'm actually going to call a couple places, probably Gen Racer, and the reason being is because I know, again, they have their, here, I'll show you again if I can get the thing out. They have a Genesis Coupe race car, and so I'm curious to know what tuning they use and who does their tuning. Hopefully it's in-house tuning, and I can find out if maybe they can give me a good price on tuning and things like that once I'm done. If not, then I'll use Marsh Tuning, and that's actually somebody I know who, his dad lives down the street from me. He races, actually he's got a really fast Honda Civic hatch. He's got a GTR that's pushed about 800 horsepower right now, and he's a tuner. So either or I'm gonna go with, but again, I got this because obviously I need to tune, especially since I'm putting in the Evo 9 turbo, and I should be up somewhere around anywhere between 340 to 380 wheel, from what I've been told. So we will definitely see once that happens where I'm at. So again, because I have this Haltech ECU, I can make sure that I'm not running rich, or at least the tuner, whoever's tuning it, can make sure that I'm not running rich and I'm getting the proper amount of fuel and things like that, because obviously that's important. Now let's get back to the other thing that I ordered, which I'll give you guys a hint out in the garage. Oh, by the way, this is a plug and play, but from what I've seen and reading the instructions, to plug it in first, you have to do some things like you have to move part of the wiring harness that hooks into this into the car through the firewall, through the grommet that's there, because this actually gets mounted to the inside of the car in the cabin, not in the engine bay. So this is going to be a little bit of work, but it shouldn't be too hard from what I see with the instructions. So just so you know, if you planned on getting a Haltech and you plan on getting it used, make sure you get all the parts that come with it if it's used, because this does get mounted to the inside of the car, and there are, which makes this bracket important. So yeah, and make sure you get the instructions as well, because, but again, I ordered mine brand new, so that was just a quick tip. Now let's go into the garage and I'll give you a hint on what I bought. Okay guys, so as we're headed into the garage, snow, yay. Anyway, as we're headed into the garage, I just wanted to let you, well, give you a reason for why I ordered this part that I kind of already have. And the reason being was because, how do I tell you this without giving it away? I ordered this part because I just felt, sorry it's so dark, whoops, there we go. I ordered this part because I just felt it was necessary to, I'm trying to figure out the best way not to give this away. I can't think of a good way, so I'm going to tell you. No, I'm not. I ordered this part really because I just felt comfortable with something that came from a company that is doing this for the Genesis Coupe, and it just gives me more confidence in knowing that I'll have a warranty. Maybe that doesn't give it away. Having a warranty with this particular item, even though I did buy this item, it doesn't necessarily have a warranty. So the one that I am purchasing from GenRacer, through GenRacer from this company, it does have some sort of warranty. I do know that. So I ended up ordering it. I was actually going to use that money to buy like stage 1 cams, but when I saw this and thought about it, I figured, you know what, I'm better off going with this particular item and having confidence in it. So, you know, I'll just give you guys a little bit of a hint. Yeah, it's somewhere in this vicinity here. You know, what could it be? In here, somewhere there. Could be over there too. Oh man, I am messing with you guys. Yeah, I'm just messing with you guys, but I'm still not going to tell you. Here's a hint. It definitely comes in a box, and it's definitely coming from UPS, or being shipped by UPS or FedEx or the mail. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't tell you. I want to leave you guys in suspense, so I'm going to leave you guys in suspense. But I will give you more hints in the next week or two. Hopefully it's here before that, but we'll see. Alright guys, so today's video wasn't terribly long. I just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of an explanation on why I was ordering that other part, and just kind of leaving you suspense, but also, you know, just to, I don't even know what I'm trying to say here, really just to say hi, welcome to the new people that joined in the past couple of days. Obviously, welcome to all of you because you guys are all important. Again, I will obviously resume motor build and things like that. Obviously, you've seen I put in the crank. I still have to torque it down, but yeah, it's coming along. And again, I'm gonna actually give GenRacer a call today, since my boss was kind enough to let us work from home for the afternoon. And well, I'm not gonna actually work. What I did was I took the rest of the day off, just because it made sense. I'm home, I wasn't gonna do anything else anyway, so why not? And plus, my daughter's upstairs sick, kind of. But you know, so I figured I'd be home and things like that. So I'm gonna give GenRacer a call. I'll let you know what they say and things like that in the next video, and we'll go from there. Again, anybody who's new, welcome, and obviously everybody else, welcome back. We will. This is, you guys are joining, and this is great. Just, you know, let your friends know. Make sure you know, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're just watching the videos, go ahead and watch my other videos and things like that. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely comment, because I do like to hear from you guys. I like to hear your opinions and things like that. So, and if you want, let me know what you guys think that other part is. So anyway, until next time, I am going to call GenRacer. I am going to play some video games. I am going to probably go torque down that motor, or torque down the crank and stuff like that. And oh, I gotta edit the video, the one that'll be before this one. Yeah. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe. Welcome everybody. Can't wait to talk to you guys again. And make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.